Hey, what's up, guys? Picture this. You're a broke college student, ramen for dinner again, staring at your bank app with that sad zero balance. Bills piling up, friends going out, and you're stuck thinking, how do I make extra cash without quitting school? I've been there, hustling through exams and exhaustion, but what if I told you side hustles exist that can pull in $1,000 a month right from your dorm? Real ones, no scams. Stick with me, I'll break down 5 killer ideas with steps to start today. By the end, you'll pick one and launch. Let's hustle. First up, freelance writing. Students write essays all day. Why not get paid? Science says building a skill like this leverages deliberate practice from psychology research, turning your routine into expertise fast. It fights burnout by giving purpose to your words. Here's how. Sign up on Upwork or Fiverr tonight. Quick steps. Create a profile highlighting your niche like tech or lifestyle. Bid on beginner gigs at $10 to $20 per article. Easy action? Write a sample 500-word piece on something you know, like best study hacks, and post it as your portfolio. Real example? My buddy started in college, hit 1K in month 3 by consistent bidding. Boom, your words turn to cash. Smooth shift to something visual. Graphic design. If you're doodling in class, this is gold. Creativity boosts dopamine per neuroscience, keeping motivation high and procrastination low. Dive in. Download free Canva or GIMP. Steps. Build a portfolio with 5 to 10 designs, logos, social posts. List services on Etsy or Freelancer for $50 to $100 per gig. Action now? Redesign your resume graphically. It's your first sample. Story time? A student I know designed thumbnails for YouTubers, scaled to 1.2K monthly. No fancy degree needed, just start creating. Next, online tutoring. You aced that math class? Share it. Teaching reinforces your knowledge via the protege effect in education psych, sharpening focus and reducing student stress. Get started. Join Tutor.com or Preply. Steps: set your subjects, rates at $20 an hour, schedule around classes. Easy move? Record a 2-minute intro video explaining a simple concept, upload as profile proof. Example, Sarah, a bio major, tutored high schoolers online, cleared 1K in evenings. Feels good helping others while banking. And hey, if burnout hits and you feel like, I'm too tired for this, I get it. We all hit walls. But these hustles build momentum. One win snowballs. Fourth, Afronets. Now, affiliate marketing. Promote stuff you love, earn commissions. It's passive income magic. Psych studies show small rewards fight motivation dips. How to? Sign up for Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Steps: pick a niche like gadgets, create a free blog on WordPress, share links via socials. Action today? Review your favorite phone on Instagram, add an affiliate link. Real hustler? College kid promoted dorm essentials, hit 1K via TikTok traffic. Low effort, high reward. Last one, drop shipping. Sell products without inventory. E-commerce taps into flow state from Psych, where focus feels effortless. Launch it. Use Shopify's free trial. Steps: choose trending items like phone cases via AliExpress, set up a store, market on Facebook ads. Start small, $10 budget. Quick action? Research one product idea now. Search Hot Sellers 2026. Example, Jake started with eco bags, scaled to 1.5K monthly by testing ads. Your store, your rules. Wrapping up, guys, you've got 5 side hustles: writing, design, tutoring, affiliates, drop shipping. Each can hit 1K a month with grit. It's not luck, it's consistent action beating procrastination. I see your hustle potential. You're not just surviving, you're building freedom. Start one today. Future you thanks you. If this pumped you up, smash that like, subscribe for more side hustle gold, and share with your broke squad. Comment your pick below. What's your first hustle? Let's stack that cash